Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have a beautiful 1940 Buick Special here. It's a convertible with the dual side mounts. Really, this is why I bought it. It's kind of special to have dual side mounts with the metal covers. But overall, restored very nicely, beautiful colors. Seems to run and drive very nicely as well. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at the pictures, read the information, and you will find a price tag on every car we have for sale, along with a monthly finance option as well. That's if you go to volocars.com. If you enjoyed these videos, subscribe, and then click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. It's not very often I have the top up on a convertible. I just thought it looked so handsome, and it's the tan cloth top. I wanted to show the condition, so I put the top up on this one. Underneath the car, just very clean. It's not a nut and bolt body off frame concourse car, but it's clean. I'm sure it's been restored because all the nuts and bolts are clean. Miscellaneous front end parts, bushings and that, they look like they've been replaced. The gas tank looks like it was replaced when they restored the car. It might have been 15, 20 years ago, but the stuff looks like it's been replaced. The e-brake assembly is all hooked up. It's got the correct single exhaust system. You look up at the bottom of the motor, it's not greasy. 3-speed transmission, the rear end, everything is very clean. All the metal is nice. The floors look to be really clean and solid. The chassis, someone prepped it all and painted it like a semi-gloss black. So underneath the car looks much, much better than average. The body appears to be in really good shape. Let me get up close and personal and we see what we can find here. The metal is all nice, all clean. No bubbles down there. It's all smooth and straight. And again, the metal covers were an option, even on a Duesenberg. You get the dual side mounts, the metal covers were a separate option. We'll open the hood in a little while, but it opens on either side. You have a cowl that flips open. That's your air conditioning. All metal, all nice, straight, all fitting very, very well. The lines are straight, it's not wavy. Fenders are nice. Not seeing any damage, no rust. Yeah, so the body's looking really nice body. Lines are nice, it's not bubbled up. All clean, straight. Trunk looks really good, nice big rounded trunk. So the body I'm very impressed with. Now the paint's a beautiful color. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a metal flake burgundy color. It's all laid out nice and evenly. Has a wet, glossy finish. Now with that said, it's not perfect. There's a little dust or little imperfections here and there. So it's a very, very nice professional paint job, but not, again, we're not looking at a $100,000 car here. But the paint is shiny, beautiful. I don't even really see any scratches or nicks or chips. I'm sure there are some. Here's one touched up right here. So anyway, the paint shows very well. The chrome and trim, kind of the same way. None of it, I'm not going to say it's brand new, but the moldings are straight. Door handles are shiny. All the trim looks really good. Chrome vent window frame, I'm sure, has been replaced. The windshields look really nice and clear. Hood ornament, the grille, all this is very good. Yeah, it's all very nice. Headlight bezels are probably new. These are nice and shiny. All the glass looks really nice in the car. It is a manual top. It's a tan cloth top, Haartz cloth they call it. Big white wall Goodyear tires. The rims are in good shape. The trim rings are original. They're a little bit dinged up, but overall shows nicely. In back, the handle to open the trunk looks good. The bumpers look like they've been re-chromed. So very nice looking. You have some extra trim over here around the fuel door. There's a locking fuel door. Now let's open it up. Why don't we see what it looks like inside? Let's see what a giant Buick trunk looks like from 1940. They did a nice job. It's lined real nicely. Much better job than I could have done. All nice black carpet. I don't know what else to say. The weather strip is soft. Door jambs are nice. The door panels have been reupholstered. They match in back. They match the visors. Armrests been recovered. The handles and cranks look shiny. Overall, the dash is real nice. The gauges are exceptionally clean. 940 something miles. That's probably since it's been restored. There's no way those gauges are original. They've been redone. Across the dash, painted nice. The clock is nice. This stuff here is original and good shape. Carpet's nice down on the floor. Beautiful steering wheel. I love the steering wheels from this era. There is one crack in the plastic up at the top, but this is beautiful. It's a 3 on the tree. You shift on the column here. It also has a turn signal switch. This is right about when turn signals were becoming a thing. But it's very much appreciated. So seats are reupholstered, nice, soft, heavy grade vinyl. Back seat matches. Up under the convertible top, all the cloth top is real nice. The frames are painted. The chrome is shiny. The back window does unzip. If I were driving this around, the top would definitely be down, but I wanted to show it up. I think it looks handsome. Something about driving a car like this. You'll see Chevelles, Camaros, or Mustangs, but when someone sees this going down the road, that really is a treat for a lot of people. Motor compartment's very nice. It has the Dynaflash straight 8 engine, all the proper air cleaner, dual horns. The cloth wrapped wires look like they've been replaced. The generator, the carburetor, the hoses all look good. Might as well show it from this side too. Oil cushioned valve in head has the Buick cover, chrome, a chrome oil filter, proper battery with the holder, all of that looks good. Nice firewall. Here's the original tag. So there you have it, a nice 40 Buick convertible. This is a special car. Again, I'm around cars, and this was special to me. I couldn't wait for it to arrive. You just don't see these all the time. It's a treat. This one's overall very nice condition. It'll impress people. It'll be very fun to drive. So anyway, that's my impression. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. They'll help get this delivered to your door. They'll help you finance it at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe. Click on that bell icon. That way you're notified when the next car is posted. Thanks for watching. I still got to do the back out.